Meet Priya, a tech-savvy young woman from India who loves helping her friends. Today, she's about to dive into a digital mystery that will test her skills like never before.
Priya, I think I've been scammed. My bank account is empty. Don't worry, Anjali. I'll help you get to the bottom of this.
Priya knows she'll have to separate the wheat from the chaff to find the truth. Idiom meaning: distinguish valuable from worthless. The scam that ensnared Anjali was a sophisticated phishing scheme, a common cybercrime tactic designed to steal personal information and money.
Looks like a classic phishing scam. I need to dig deeper.
Priya is determined to leave no stone unturned. Idiom meaning: to search thoroughly.
I'll track down these cyber criminals if it's the last thing I do.
Priya's resolve is as strong as steel. Idiom meaning: very determined.
I found their digital footprints. They've slipped up by leaving traces.
Priya knows she's on the right track, but she must strike while the iron is hot. Idiom meaning: act quickly while the opportunity is available.
I'll compile all this evidence and take it to the authorities.
You'll never catch us.
We'll see about that. You're skating on thin ice.
Idiom meaning: taking a risk.
I've got enough evidence to bring you down.
Priya's efforts have paid off, and she's saved her friend from further harm.
I'm glad I could help. It's time these scammers face the music.
Idiom meaning: accept the consequences. Idiom meaning: prove your abilities in a difficult situation. Mrs. Sharma. We're so proud of you, dear. Mrs. Sharma, you've been as sharp as a tack. Idiom meaning: very intelligent or quick thinking. Priya's actions have brought the criminals to justice, proving that honesty is the best policy. Idiom meaning: being truthful is the best course of action.
Thank you, Priya. You've been a lifesaver. I'm just glad everything worked out. Remember, always stay on your toes online.
Idiom meaning: be alert and ready for anything. Priya's story reminds us all to be vigilant and cautious in the digital world. Together, we can outsmart the scammers. Subscribe and like for more inspiring stories.